Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Kshitish, the DIY savvy mommy, and I make simple and budget friendly home decor, DIY and lifestyle videos. This is my second collab video with the very talented the DIY mommy for the Outdoor Decor Challenge 2020. Today I'm sharing 3 simple DIYs with the things that I had at hand. The circuit breaker period is still on here, so we can only go out to purchase essentials. So this is a kind of a zero budget video. Watch this video till the end and all the other videos in the playlist to get amazing decor and DIY ideas. So without further ado, let's get started. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. For the first DIY, I'm making a twine flower wreath. For this, I took an embroidery hoop and covered it with rainbow colored satin ribbon. You can even do it with colorful ribbon of your choice or even twine. Once the embroidery hoop is covered with the satin ribbon, I let it dry for a few minutes. Then I started rolling twine to make a small round structure like so. This will be the base of the flower that we are going to make. Once done, I took 5 pieces of twine of the same size, and with the help of thread and needle, I made a loop and started sewing them together. This way I got 5 petals, and now I sewed both the ends together to make it look like a flower. Next, I secured the middle of the flower with 2 or 3 knots. Finally, I glued the centerpiece of the flower and glued a pom-pom ball on top. Similarly, I made 8 more flowers the same way and glued everything to the embroidery hoop later. And this is how it looks, so pretty and chic. For the next DIY, I took some nautical rope, old cotton fabric, glue and some pom-pom balls. I started with the rope to make a spiral and then glued them together like so. Once done, I trimmed the excess fabric from all the sides. Next, I ran a candle all over the mat to tame the flyaways. Finally, I glued some pom-pom balls at the end and it's done. This rug is so simple yet beautiful to make. For the final DIY, I took a plastic candy box and covered it with some popsicle sticks. I had painted the popsicle sticks white, but it's totally optional. Then I glued the sticks to the box to make it look like a fence. Next, I took a cardboard and painted it black and glued the sticks on it. You can write any code that you want over here. I specifically like this one because my daughter's name is also Joy, and as it is, joy grows in our family. Finally, I added flowers to my flower box and it's ready. Finally, I decorated and styled my front door with all the 3 DIYs and some accent pieces.